Welcome to SEMPER IDEM Signature. Don't forget to comment, like, share, all bell, and subscribe.
I'll spend time to write and sign your request.
Experience can't be compared to anything in this world. It brings joy and comfort, especially when we are bored. I believe we don't have much money to roam yonder, but it is worth to appreciate the ways and means of my parents dear.
One of the secrets of a happy family is by giving enough time. Parents should not only prioritize the works, but of course the children, and play with them. Always remember and keep in mind that the children are gifts and treasures of the family, where there are reasons to grin.
Once I disagreed going to other place or doing trips, for it is costly and would only slices our personal budgets. Much better to stay at home and use money wisely. But later on I had realized something. I was bored, unhappy. I might be selfish to think for my own, counting the time and years that passes so soon.
Let us roam earlier, or you will regret. When you're no longer able and physically fit, where our eyes turning blur, and our feet could no longer walk and find hard. So today, let's roam, enjoy, and be glad. Let tomorrow says, thank you, Mom and Dad.